Hello nursing students, today I am giving you the assignment of back care. This is the picture of this procedure in which a nurse is giving this care. Firstly, take A4 size papers, make boundary in all papers, put topics in upper side of papers and write point by point under the topics. This is the index of this assignment. These all topics are needed for this assignment, so don't leave any topics. And the first topic is introduction. So write all the points which are given in this video. And the next topic is definition. Write all the points are necessary. Next topic is purposes. Write all the purposes which are given in this video. Next topic is general instructions. Write all the points. Next topic is required position. There are 3 types of position which are using in this procedure. Write it. And the next topic is equipments. These all equipments are used in this procedure. Write all the points. Next topic is preparation of patients and environment. This is also important topic, so write all the points. Next topic is movement used in back care. There are 4 types of movement which are using in the back care. These 4 types are given in the picture form, so see it properly and understand how it works. The next topic is procedure. Understand this, read this and write in your assignment. This is very important. This is the second part of the procedure, so write it also. Next topic is aftercare. So write all the points, all are important. Thank you. Like this video, subscribe the channel and share with your friend. Thank you.